Hi guys, I am Masha from Ukraine and I would like to show you our handmade leather goods. They are 100% handmade from high quality leather. All materials are really high quality. We have bracelets, steampunk watches, card holders and wallets, coin purses and body harnesses. This is a handmade female body harness made from 100% real leather. You can see for yourself closer how well it's done, and this is how it looks on. You can put it on this way or other way around on your back. It's versatile and it looks really nice. I like it. And this is how this harness looks other way around. So this is now this side and the back looks like this. I like it a lot and I'm sure you will like them too.